In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by launching Settings and choosing Personalization. Then tap on Online over here under Theme section and click on any of those themes to apply a perfect one for you. Just hit Download, tap Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to one of your default themes, go back to Personalization settings, hit My Themes, and tap on one of those under Internal Theme. Then choose Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!